We've said this 1,000 times. There are only two companies that can structurally open the capital markets for all startups. One is SpaceX Starlink, but that's on its own path and not going public soon. And the other is Stripe. And
you could probably add TikTok to that as well. Yeah.
No, because that's a Chinese company with all kinds of overhang. So no, I would disagree with that.
But with 30 or 40% US ownership.
I would disagree with that. So I think it's Starlink and Stripe. And the problem now for Stripe is that the public comps dollar for dollar are off 50% from the beginning of the year, which then says that if you apply that ratably to its valuation, they did around at 55 billion, then the market clearing trade may be 25 to 30 billion now. Now, 25 to 30 billion for Stripe, you're incinerating $70 billion of equity value and about $5 to $10 billion of actually paid in capital. So what does that do for Silicon Valley and for VCs? I think it's going to put a lot of pressure on companies and valuations. We're in for a real slog. On the surface, for the real economy, I think it's generally decent news. For startup land, I think it's not good. And then specifically within startup land, sectors like fintech are in pretty bad trouble, I think.